Good morning everybody. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious meal for your birds. We chopped up some apples for them, cucumber, Canary's favourites, just some fresh heads of broccoli, kale, you get this from a local supermarket. I've given them some raw oats as well, obviously not cooked. You don't want to give them too much apple, which is high in sugar obviously and fructose. You could also just blend the apples, but then it might turn into a mush if you blend it too much. Try and cut it into small little chunks. I think that's enough cucumber. Belzy, what do you think?
Yeah, I think that's enough.
That's enough then. The broccoli heads you can leave as is. The canaries, I'll show you what it looks like by the end of the day. There's pretty much just some stalks left, but they eat everything. That's our dog Frankie, little Yorkie that you can hear in the background, whining for food as usual. Sprinkling some oats. Not going to put too much, as I say, I don't seem to like it that much, but apparently it's a really good source of energy, healthy energy, a slow releasing carb for the birds. Just some finch seed. There's a lot more in the aviary. This is for the birds that sleep inside. And there we go. Just you don't want to leave it in the aviary for too long, not more than a day, because obviously it might spoil and rotten, and also will attract mice and rodents. So make sure that you collect it in the afternoon, leave it in there for about 4 or 5 hours, and there's a nice healthy treat for your birds. Especially during breeding season, they need all this extra energy, especially the moms. What you can also do is take some eggshells, which I'll show you in another video. Bake the eggshells, crush them up, grind them into tiny grits. You can sprinkle that over here as well.